Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can restore the streak on Snapchat. So if you are sick and tired of your friends losing the streak on Snapchat which you maintained with such patience and hard work, then I'm going to teach you how you can restore it. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open Snapchat on your phone and go to your friends list or your Snap. So go to your Snapchat and go to the chat section, which is this, and let's find the person who has broken the streak. So you can see the restore on the streak which has been broken over here. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can see that you can restore your 3-day snap streak. You and this person lost your most recent streak, but either of you can restore it for the next 28 hours. Otherwise, you'll have to snap each other every day to start a new streak. You have 5 more restores left this month. So you should notice that you will have 5 free restores every month. You can restore the chat or restore the streak anytime, but after the 5 restores are completed, you should buy the restore option, or else you cannot restore the streak. So go ahead and tap on restore and you can see that the streak has been restored. So you can find other people who have ended your streak and you can restore it. So this time icon decides or dedicates that the streak is going to be over. So if this person doesn't send you a snap, you can just go ahead and tap on restore after it comes over here, and then you can restore the streak on Snapchat. So guys, this is how you can restore the streak on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.